Welcome, in front of me is Soyo M4 Pro Mini PC, and in this video I will show you how to send files from your phone to this device. And so in order to send files from your phone to this device, you're gonna need an internet connection, an active one. So once you have it, open your web browser, then open the search engine and search for pairdrop.net website. And once you find the website with the exact same web address, open it. And now to link your phone with this device, you have to click the link icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then you can either open the same website on your phone, then enter this code that you can see on the screen. Well, you're gonna have your own code. Just enter it into this field on your phone, or alternatively, which is a much quicker way by the way to link your phone with this device, is scan this QR code using your device's camera. So just scan this QR code and then open the link that appeared in your camera application. And once you open this link, your phone and this device will be paired automatically, and you will see both your phone's icon on your device on your PC's screen, as well as you will see your PC's icon on your phone's screen. After which you're gonna have to select the PC's icon on your phone screen, and then select the file that you want to send to this PC. So once you select the file, you're gonna have to accept it on your computer. Just wait until the file is sent from your phone, because it might take a while. Okay, so once you see the file, click accept and then wait until it's transferred. And once it's transferred, you'll be able to find it right in your file explorer in the downloads folder. And here is the file that I sent. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.